Hi guys, I'm Alex
And I'm Stephen.
and we're from Call to Care. Call to Care is a community development organization where we have several solutions to implement a holistic, sustainable solution in our communities.
So Call to Care offers quite an extensive range of solutions to community development. One of them being the Gardi project, where we implement water-wise vegetable gardens. We've got the Pilile project, which improves wellness and mental health in our communities. We've got the community chef, which cooks delicious meals
Out of our gardens,
out of our gardens.
and plug into soup kitchens and feeding schemes.
We've got ECD development, we've got education, so anything where we require a solution to an issue.
One of the challenges, one of the most obvious challenges, is that we always need funds in order to do the work that we do. And thank you to all of those that have made our initiatives possible so far. Another big challenge is our team's not very big. There's only 4 of us. A third, more personal challenge is that we currently are only using one vehicle in order to do this.
Alex had an accident not too long ago, and it's really prevented us from being able to service our beneficiaries more effectively.
It's a little bit limiting when you're not able to get to more than one beneficiary in a day. So
We're appealing for any assistance. I mean, even if it's just 20 Rand per person, that will really just go a long way to be able to allow us to do the
go
great work that
further.
we do and be able to support the beneficiaries.
to donate, go to our website www.calltocare.org.za. There's a donate button on our website. Click on that and it will forward you to a Give and Gain campaign that we are running for the car fundraiser. We will be eternally grateful. Anything will be appreciated, and hopefully you'll see us driving down the N1 with a Call to Care vehicle. Boom! So thank you to each and every one of you that has been part of our initiatives, that has joined one of our paint and sip events, that have volunteered with us, or been part of an event where you've actually built one of these garden beds. We are so entirely grateful for your support. You have really allowed us to do what we do here, and you're continuously supporting our beneficiaries, and for that we thank you.